Hey, welcome to Lodo Garage. Y'all check this out. I had to make some changes on the old racing fuel cell. The old system, it just had too many loop-de-loos and roundy-rounds and whatnot down there. That's just a mess. No, that's not air hose. Alright, it is. I had to do that so that I could move the truck. It was out front. But check this out. Yes, that is a transmission and a hoist. They dropped it in the street and I had to get it in the back of the truck. It's full of fluid. It's pretty heavy. We got this thing waiting for it, so this weekend that's what we're doing. Transmission's gonna go back in. Something's missing. Yeah, you're gonna need a transmission. It's gone. So that's what I'm doing this weekend. Gonna get the transmission in the old 17. Here's the old one. Just got to separate the transfer case from the transmission. Throw the new transmission up there, then the transfer case. And we'll be on our way and get it programmed. So that's what I'm doing this weekend. I'm gonna be putting that transmission in there, the 6L80E, fresh rebuild, going up. Thank you for watching Lodo Garage.